Damn, it's a pretty day outside today, bro. Look at this area, man. Look like we have fucking palm trees in Hawaii and shit. But anyway, hey, dude, you tried to fuck with that broad last night? Who? Sheila? Yeah, man. I hit her up. Tried to get some head. She wasn't having it, though, so I hit her sister up. Shit. Got the job done. It was fire, too. Super head. Hey, check this motherfucker out. Fucking Hondas. Think this dude working on this car? Who cares? Oh, check it. It got a fucking fart can on it. I bet you this thing sound like shit. Fart can sound like shit, huh? Let's see about that.
This should be played at high volume, preferably in a residential area.
Fart cans, huh?